Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to translate audio with Google Translate step by step. To do this, you just need to go to the Google Translate app, open Google Translate app, and after that, let's get back. You go to this screen and you have, as you can see, you have this microphone icon in the middle of the screen. In the bottom of it, you just need to long click on it, for example, like this. Hello and welcome everyone. And as you can see, it translated what I've said in English to the Spanish, or you can choose any other language that you want also to translate to. For example, if you are back, you can change the language from Spanish to Finnish, Portuguese, Turkish, to any language that you want to use on Google Translate. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video and see you in the next one.